Good evening, guys. How you doing? I just wanted to go over how we can do some screening for the stock market to set up our watch list and set up alerts that give us a advantage um, instead of spending a lot of time individually looking for stocks or whatnot to trade. So I'm on my TD Ameritrade account, and you see up here you have the research and ideas. You want to select that, and you see that here it says screeners. You want to select stocks. Okay. All right. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay. So I have another video to show you how to create a screen. I've already created one. All right. I used it just a few minutes ago, and today's results came up. But if some of you who haven't seen that video, I just go through it real quickly so you know how to do it as well. Just looking at this video. All right, so what it is, I just select exchange, and then I'm gonna select the sector, the industry. All right, so we're gonna select information technology because that's the industry. I mean the sector that is gonna come under, and then I selected semiconductors. All right, so this I purposely came into the market today to look for semiconductors because there's a shortage of lithium batteries and all kind of stuff, right? And the gaming industry is taking off, so that's going to be a huge industry. So I want to screen for that. All right, so I'm not going to click on it because I've already done it. So now I'm just going to go back to my actual screener that I already done. And like I said, 131 showed up. So you see right here, we're going to select. I'm just going to click on it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a trick too. All right. Now, these are 131 stocks that are in the semiconductor industry or sector. All right. So you can hover over, get a little snapshot how it performed. This one's down 6% today. This one's up 2.9%. And AMD, a lot of you know about AMD. All right, AMD is $88.84 right now. I had AMD when it was at $2.37. It's my second uh, stock that I've ever owned before. Nvidia was my first. So it seems like I'm coming back full circles. I started out with semiconductors and I left it alone. And now I'm coming back in because the future is bright, right? All right, so you can scroll through, you can see all these. Look at this right here. You can select up to the first 35. All right. And that's gonna create your watch list. So I'm gonna show you. So I select it. All right. So you can scroll down. You can see this is the first 35. All right. Now we go all the way down, and I can put add to watch list. All right. I select it. Now you can add it. You see already I have biotech, blockchain, healthcare. I got NASDAQ efficient. I got new weed stocks. I got oil. I got options, pharmaceuticals. So I got a different watch list. But if you want to create a new one, which I will now, I'm gonna select create new, and we're gonna do create new watch list, and we're gonna give it a name. I think that's how you spell. I'm not the greatest speller in the world. All right. So if I wanted to, if I was doing like one stock, I could just enter the symbol and just add it. But I already had the symbols over here, so I don't have to do that. They're already selected. All right, you can do it indices as well too. You look down and you can select, but that's not what we're doing. So just hit select create, and boom, you got it, right? So I can go view it, and voila, here's my watch list. All right. I need to check and see if it's actually updated on my phone, because on my phone I have Thinkorswim as the app, right? Um, I may have to connect it, because this, even though I'm on TD Ameritrade, I'm not actually under their Thinkorswim app at the moment. So that's something I have to see. So I'm gonna click on it. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. All right, I do not see it on here, so I'm gonna have to probably go in Thinkorswim and actually do it there, so I can connect on my phone. Um, okay, but let me make sure before I log out of here. I do not see my semiconductor. All right, so yeah, it's not there, but that's okay. But I can always come over to the computer and look. All right, so let's look at Eamon. So if we was on Eamon, um, I can select it and I can create an alert. Let's say Eamon looks good on the chart, and I like the trade. Uh, in fact, we'll go ahead and type this in. Eamon. Sorry if it's moving slow, guys. Let's go on the daily. All right, so all right, so post market we up 263, $2.63. All right, so let's say for example, I want to do this. All right, so we got some bullish pressure down. All right, so let's say I set that as soon as this candle is eliminated with a bullish candle. All right, so if we get a bullish candle to eliminate this zone, all right, that's what I'm looking for. All right, if this happens, I look to my right. All right, I am that is at $2.86. All right. So what I want to do is I want to get an alert when it's at maybe $2.78. I mean, $2 and maybe 75 cent. The reason why I'm doing this because remember I'm doing an alert. All right, here we do. Here we go. Here we go. See, it says set alerts. We're gonna hit set alert. All right, alert me when this price rises. Hold on, let's do this. There it is. All right, alert me when it rises above $2.75. That's gonna get me prepared, right? All right, I need time. All right, so if it alerts me at 275 and I looked on the chart and this arrow right, I mean this resistance line is $2.85. Now I'm getting ready because as soon as I see price crosses above this two, 85. I'm looking to take this trade. All right. I want to enter it. Okay. Let's go back in time over here. All right. I come into the market. I see clearly a resistance level that's been created. All right. And let's say the stock was right here. I say, hey, I want this. I want them to alert me. Let's say about right here, $2.33. Reason why I'm saying that is because I know that it's approaching the area I want to look for. So as soon as I get to $2.33, then I'm looking, and then I can possibly go ahead and set a buy limit, meaning that I set it as soon as the market hits what is this, 242 ish or whatever. It'll automatically take the trade where your stop loss go below the counter that was eliminated or engulfed. All right, rinse, repeat. Keep it simple, guys, with trading. Same thing here. Price goes above, the trade is executed. All right, and stop loss is going to go right above the counter that was eliminated. Simple, right? So 275, it's going to alert me. It's getting close, and then I can get ready to take the trade. All right, I want them to email this to me, and I want them to text my phone. Okay, so this phone represents the text, and this represents email. My email is already on there. Boom, it's delivered. I can do news alerts too. They can give me all that, but I don't want all that. All right, hit save, and voila. Um, all right, so we have that in play. All right, so look at the description right here. Price rises above $2.75. Uh, just going frequency is just going to be one time. All right. So this is where we'll be with this. All right. So your alert settings have been changed successfully, so we're good. All right. Um, so guys, yeah, that's just keep it as simple. You know, you can go ahead and go back. I have some other customized screenings. Um, I got current price of performance versus the S&P 500. I got volume range. So let's see what that. I forgot what that one's about. What is this? I think I did a certain volume. I want to say it was something. I wanted something doing in the millions of volume, but I don't know what the actual what was my actual criteria. I need to go back and look and see. Okay, here it is. So around 10 million and below, I believe I was doing. So this was 9.5 million in volume. Yeah, I need to go back and I need to see it because I did these screeners so long ago. But this is another great way to screen for stocks too by looking at volume, because volume is a true measurement of true participants in the market that are buying, and that's great. Remember, when a stock moves radically to the upside and it doesn't have the volume to support it, you're probably getting a pump and dump, guys. So be careful with that. All right. Um, you don't want to be left holding the bag, meaning that you bought into a stock and there's no liquidity, there's nobody to really sell it to. So these are healthy volumes. So this today alone. So remember, your screeners update daily. You don't have to do anything once you set it. Like so, tomorrow, all the semiconductors, they just keep updating. Now I can add specialized things to it. Um, I could screen for semiconductors who dropped in 10%, who's risen in 10% value. I could do semiconductors who've crossed over the 20. moving 20 period moving average, um, stocks who hit the Bollinger Band. So these are a little bit more sophisticated trading stuff, but you keep it simple. All right. Use your skill. Use TD Ameritrade. I love TD Ameritrade. Use TD Ameritrade. E Trade is good too. I have that, exchange too, but I don't use it as much as I do with TD. I like TD a lot better. I don't know the functionality of Robinhood. I don't know they have all this robust capabilities. All right, but this is what really helps set you apart with these with TD Ameritrade. All right, so this ISO array was 9 million in volume. I don't know what happened since the stock started tanking. Um, a lot of these got hit. This one went up 72% on biotech. And guys, another strategy we like to use is when something starts to move, oftentimes a lot of people like to jump in and chase. What we do is we earmark it. So we see something moving, and we basically plot for pullback zones to where we can get in. If the move is organic, we expect higher highs. We don't expect that the stock is just going to go and turn around and never return back. That can happen, but normally, if it's a real healthy, good stock, um, great product, potential great earnings and whatnot, we expect it to do higher highs and higher lows. Riot, all right, Riot is getting destroyed right now because Bitcoin, of course, is going down. So Riot is a blockchain stock. However, it's going to be coming back down into key buying zones eventually. But what we would do is, if we was looking for blockchain stocks, we also look for blockchain stocks that has a better um, a price point. And then we can use something. People who work with me, we know we use threshold investing. So our threshold investing will kick in at that. All right. So clearly, guys, you see people like that. I don't know how to screen for stocks. I don't know what I'm doing, but this video just give you a snapshot. All right. So I hope this helped. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. Y'all have a great evening. Smash those goals. Stay focused. And remember, don't chase in these markets. All right. So y'all have a great one.